Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to science class. Today the topic we are going to discuss is organs. First of all, we will define the word organ. A group of tissues performing a specific function is called organ. In previous classes you have read about five sense organs. These were nose, ear, tongue, eyes and skin. These organs have a specific role in your body. For example, eyes help you to see different things, ears are to listening, tongue is to taste, nose is to smell. So these five organs were helping your body in their own way. Like these sense organs, your body also have some internal organs which are performing their roles in different ways and help the body to perform functions properly and smoothly. The organs in the picture you can see, first organ is brain. Brain is located in the head region and it is the main control center of the body. It sends and receives messages to and from all parts of the body. Then is a pair of lungs. Lungs help us breathe. They are present in the chest cavity and are protected by a very strong rib cage. Then is a pair of kidneys. Kidneys are present in our body and they are involved in the purification of blood. Then is heart. Heart is present between two lungs. It pumps blood to all parts of the body. Stomach is present in the upper part of abdomen and its main function is to digest food that we eat. Our next topic is organ system. The organ system is a group of organs which work together to do a special job. In last topic you have learned about organs and their functions in the body. Although they have very special functions, but they cannot work alone. They work with the help of other organs as a group, and this group of organs which performs a specific function is called organ system. For example, in a human body there are 11 organ systems working. A few of them are nervous system, respiratory system, digestive system, circulatory system and excretory system. If we take the example of digestive system, as you can see in the picture, there are different organs involved in this system. When these organs arranged, they will make a very special organ which performs a specific function of digestion. The stomach is involved in this system, large intestine, small intestine, liver is also involved in this system, and these organs arrange together, as you can see, and perform a function which is called digestion of food. Here we have nervous system. The main head of this system is brain, and with the help of nerves it sends and receives messages from all parts of the body. In circulatory system, the circulation of blood, the main head organ in this system is heart. Heart will supply blood in all parts of the body. Next to it is musculoskeletal system. First of all, define musculoskeletal system. When muscles and bones work together, they make musculoskeletal system. As you can see in the picture, the skeletal system is the arrangement of bones, and the muscular system is the coverage or the skin present on this structure of bones. You can say a combination of skeletal and muscular system is called musculoskeletal system. That's all for today.